this video, we will be getting 35 bees. Pretty impressive, right? Even Gummy Bear thinks it. Don't you like it? Do you think it's impressive? Do you think it is impressive? See? He said yes. But we need to get grinding. You might hear a bit of skipping. You might not hear skipping. But I don't really care if it's skipping or not. But you want to hear something different? Yeah. I can summon a mythic meteor shower. So this should give me like enough honey. Probably. Wait, I just figured out a way to make my mouse not make a sound. Just hold the mouse. I don't even need to click, just hold it. More life hacks from your boy Vortex. Very impressive. We need to get all the asteroids we can. I think I need like another 18 million honey. So honey is quite hard to get in this game, but I couldn't have done this without my honey mask. My honey mask is a savior. An amazing one. Honey mask has saved me a lot. Don't care about puff shrooms. Oopsies, I sneezed. I should get quite a lot of honey from this, which should allow me to get 35 bees. Pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. I'm impressed myself. I might quit at 35 bees, but I might not quit. I might quit at 50 bees, which is actually quite hard to get. Or I could quit at a lot of bees. 50 bees is the max though, so that's probably a lot of bees. But I'm going to be very good at the game, hopefully. There's some puff shrooms on this field, which is quite nice. So while being in a meteor shower, I can also get some pretty good stuff. Hey, that's quite nice. Oh yep, it's definitely not just gonna be one puff shroom. I literally just need 8 million. Bruh. Guys. This mushroom is going to be deleted from life very quickly, but I care about these asteroids, meteors, whatever the hell you want to call them. I care about those more. So I'm going to collect more of them, because these asteroids, meteor showers, whatever the flip you want to call them. Yeah. Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? I need like another 4 million. What could get me 4 million? I gotta think. What could get me 4 million? Honey. What could get me another 4 million honey really quickly? Defeating something? Okay, I'm gonna try Tunnel Bear, but probably won't defeat him because I've never defeated Tunnel Bear. But I'm gonna walk back. Whoa! Just gotta attack him. Oh, I might be able to get him. This has got to give me a lot of honey. Will this be the first time I've ever defeated Tunnelbear? I think so. More stingers. Gosh, I don't think I can get him. That's me. Oh, I was so close to defeating him. That was a bit of a waste of stingers. That is a shame. But we can still figure out some other ways to get a lot. I might be able to figure out something here. Checking the stockings. They give me any? Nope. Where the flip could I get some honey? Well, I am going to think, so I will see you guys in like an hour probably. Boys, after an hour of grinding, not really an hour, probably like 5 minutes, I have gotten the amount of honey to get 25 bees, 35 bees. Look how broke I am now. But I do not really care because this honey mask will give me a lot of honey after. Honey? What the hell is that? Okay, but look at that. Come on. This is gonna be our 35th bee and our most favorite bee. So if we go all the way down here, not too far down, we have a diamond egg. Obviously I'm gonna use this. But I could also use the silver egg. Yeah, I'll use the silver egg. I don't want to waste my diamond egg, do I? Boom, I've used the silver egg. Boom, bam, bop, boom, bada, bop, boom, pow. And now, we can get into the 35 bee zone! Yeah, let's go! Okay, so, through here, there's a bit of a, so like right here is where you get the petal wand, I'm pretty sure? That's what it's called, right? Petal wand. Petal wand? Is that what it's called? Petal wand? Yes. Okay. It's the petal wand, the petal belt, and the petal planter. Now, that's a lot of stuff, and I'll probably never get that stuff. So, we're just going to have a bit of an explore around this bee zone. This is the area where you get painful quests from Spirit Bear. And let's see how long it takes. Okay, this dude takes forever. Come on. Finish. Okay. Spirit Bear's taking forever. Finally, okay. 25 million extreme rematch. Okay, so this field right here, which I'm not too good on, so I must inspect the wind, should I? Oh, okay. So I can give stuff to this guy. How about 2 silver eggs? No, not maybe. Something that would give me quite a lot. Yes. 15 purple potions. What will I get? What will I get? Okay, I got a few boosts. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Okay, so you can do this hourly, but it's so OP! This is why. This is just why I would love to go here. Oh my yeah, I died straight away. But to be honest, it felt quite nice. We're not really going to use any of these boosts because I actually usually play this game on iPad, so yeah. Vortex Blaze exposed. My friend Louis says that quite a lot. But shout out to Louis, by the way, because Vortex does get exposed. I just exposed myself because I play on iPad most of the time. I just got exposed. Anyways, we got a night. What if we put this night bell here? Because I don't really need a night bell because I already got my vicious bee right here. But I do need to get 3 vicious bees for a quest. Yeah, that would be simple. I have 25 purple potions left. I'm probably not gonna use any more purple potions, but I might use like a night bell. Maybe I might use like 1 super smithy or 2. But one thing that I think would be pretty OP if I could give to him would be Sprinkler. Just kidding. Be quick case. Actually, no. I'm trying to think of like something really OP that I could get. Like give him like maybe 1,000 gumdrops. That might be good. Some stingers maybe. 2 coconuts. Snowflakes. Micro converters. Honeysuckles, whirlwings, field dice. I have actually a lot of those, so I'll probably give them like all of them. I don't really need them because I have a loaded dice and smooth dice. So, God, I gotta think of what I could give to him. But anyways, that's the video, guys. I'm not broke anymore. I actually have a lot of honey, and I'll see you guys in the next one. What am I supposed to say? I don't know.